The next type of bird feeder that we're going to make is a pine cone bird feeder. It's the same concept as a toilet paper roll. You just put the peanut butter on and roll it in birdseed. This can be a fun activity because it allows you to go out and look for pine cones as well. Okay, so once you have the peanut butter on the cone, you just roll it in the birdseed. The peanut butter does get your hands messy. Then you take your pine cone and you can either lay it out or tie a string on it as well. I recommend a thin string if you're tying it. I'm going to use fishing line. You just have to thread the string through the little rivets in the pine cone. Okay, now we have another fun DIY bird feeder.